How to find and copy YouTube channel link on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the YouTube application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the YouTube homepage. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the search icon. Here, search for Rockstar Games and then tap on View Channel. You can now view this channel and its contents from here. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on Share. Here, tap on Copy Link. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. Tap on the new message icon at the bottom right corner. Go to the text bar and paste the YouTube link you just copied over here. You can now share this link with your friends. Following these steps, you can easily find and copy YouTube channel link on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.